This single Facebook comment made me 15,000 shillings in less than 48 hours. I'm going to show you exactly what I typed in just a few minutes. But more importantly, over the next 18 minutes, I'm going to show you the exact system I use to find 5,000 clients on Facebook every single week, without a website, without a fancy portfolio, and without spending a cent on ads. We're going to break down the group search, the DM script, and the transition to a paid project. And stay tuned, because at the 11-minute mark, I'm going to reveal the exact M-Pesa invoice template I use to professionalize the deal and get paid instantly. Welcome to Money Up Academy. The biggest lie told to new freelancers in Kenya is that you need a professional website to start earning. You spend weeks picking colors, choosing fonts, and writing about me sections that no one reads. Meanwhile, your bank account stays at zero. A website is a passive asset. It's a shop in a dark alleyway that nobody visits unless you pay for traffic. The world's top earners don't wait for clients to find them. They go where the clients are already hanging out. In 2026, those clients are in specialized communities asking for help in real time. Today, we're going to stop the procrastinating and start the participating. We're going to use a tool you already have on your phone to build a high-income business from scratch. It's time to trade the website dream for client reality. Most people use Facebook to scroll through memes and local news. But for the elite freelancer, Facebook groups are a high-intent search engine. There are thousands of business owners in Kenya and globally who join these groups specifically to find solutions to their problems. Whether it's a SACCO needing a new logo, a startup needing a sales page, or a content creator needing an editor, the demand is constant. The problem is that most freelancers approach these groups like beggars, asking for work. We are going to approach them like surgeons, identifying pain and offering immediate relief. This shift in mindset from looking for a job to offering a solution is what unlocks the 5,000 Kenyan baseline. We're going to dive into how to find these goldmine groups right now. Let's start the workshop. Step 1. The search. You aren't looking for jobs groups. Those are usually full of spam. You're looking for outcome groups. If you're a designer, look for startup founders or Amazon sellers. If you're a writer, look for niche site builders or SaaS marketing. I'm showing you 5 specific keyword clusters on the screen that have the highest concentration of high-paying clients. I want you to join 3 to 5 of these groups right now, but don't post. The biggest mistake is the hire me post. That's an instant ban or a one-way ticket to being ignored. We are here to listen first. We are looking for the signal in the noise. By the end of this section, your Facebook feed will be transformed into a stream of potential opportunities. Let's find your first goldmine. Now that you're in the right groups, we need to audit the posts. We are looking for high-intent help signals. I call this the pain point audit. Look for phrases like, "Can anyone recommend?" "How do I?" or "I'm struggling with." These are open doors for you to walk through. We're going to look at 3 real-world posts from my own feed. Notice how I ignore the ones that ask for the cheapest option. We don't compete on price, we compete on expertise. We are looking for the business owner who values their time more than a few thousand shillings. When you find the right signal, it's time for the bridge comment. This is the comment that transitions you from a stranger to a trusted advisor. Get ready, because I'm about to show you the exact 15K comment breakdown. Here it is. This is the exact comment that made me 15,000. Look at the structure. Line 1. I acknowledge their problem with a specific insight. I don't just say I can help. Line 2. I give them a quick win, a small piece of advice they can use right now for free. This establishes authority instantly. Line 3. I mention a similar result I've achieved for someone else. Line 4. The soft CTA. I don't ask for the job. I say, if you want me to send over the template I mentioned, feel free to shoot me a DM. Notice the psychology here. I am the one with the value. They are the one coming to me. This comment had zero competition because everyone else was just posting their portfolio links. This section is the part you should pause and copy right now. This structure works for almost any freelance skill. Now, the transition. When they DM you, the goal isn't to close, it's to diagnose. I'm showing you the consultant script on the screen. Start by asking 2 specific questions about their business goals. This moves the conversation away from how much do you charge and toward how can we grow. You are acting as a partner, not a vendor. For a 5,000 unit, you don't need a 3-hour meeting. You need a 10-minute chat that confirms you can solve their problem. Once they say, that sounds great, you move to the price lock. You state your 5K baseline clearly and confidently. If they've seen the value in your comment and your diagnosis, the price is rarely an issue. We are going to look at how to handle the "can you do it for less" objection in the next 2 minutes. Don't blink. This is where most people lose the deal. So they ask for a website. What do? You use the Google Drive hack. You send them a clean, organized link to a Google Drive folder or a simple PDF portfolio. In this folder, you have 3 clear subfolders: work samples, client testimonials, and process overview. This shows them you have a system, which is far more valuable than a flashy website. I'll show you exactly how to structure this folder to build maximum trust in under 60 seconds. A well-organized Drive folder signals that you are an efficient professional who respects the client's time. It's about substance over style. Most clients prefer a direct link to the work rather than navigating a confusing site. This is your zero-cost digital headquarters. Let's build your Drive folder right now. What if they say 5,000 is too much? You don't discount. You reframe the cost as an investment. If your 5K unit saves them 10 hours of work or brings in 20,000 in revenue, the 5K is a bargain. I'm giving you the reframing script on the screen. You say, I understand budget is a concern. My rate reflects the guaranteed quality and the 10 hours I'll be saving your team. If they still push for lower, they aren't your ideal client. Walk away with your head high. You also handle the trust objection by offering a starter unit, a smaller 2,000 version of your service to prove your value. Once they see your quality, they'll happily pay the 5K next time. This is how you build a long-term relationship based on results, not just a one-off transaction. Trust is earned, not given. It's 11 minutes. This is the moment that separates the amateurs from the masters. To get that 5,000 Kreshem without a website, you must provide a professional payoff. I don't just say send the money to my number. I send a formal PDF invoice. I'm showing you the Money App invoice template right now. It's clean, it has a clear scope of work, and it includes your M-Pesa payment details as a professional business transaction. When a client sees this, their imposter syndrome radar turns off. They see a professional operator. I've included this template in the description for you to use. This one document alone will allow you to charge 20% more than your competitors because of the perceived trust it builds. We're going to walk through the 5 essential fields you must have on every invoice. This is your professional insurance policy. In the Kenyan market, this level of professionalism is rare, and it's your biggest competitive advantage. Now, let's talk about the big picture. How do you go from one Keshet 5,000 client to earning 100,000 a month? It's a volume game. To hit 100K, you need 20 units a month. That's 5 units a week. By following the 5 DM challenge consistently, you can reach this volume in under 90 days. We're looking at the scaling matrix on the screen. It shows you how to move from one-off projects to ongoing monthly retainers. When you have 5 clients paying you for 1 unit a week, you've hit your 100K baseline with 0 active marketing. This is the goal of Money App Academy, to turn your side hustle into a predictable income machine. You've already found the money in your M-Pesa leaks. Now it's time to build a fountain of revenue to replace it. This is your roadmap to financial dominance. Take the first step today. Your next step is simple: action. I'm challenging you to send 5 DMs using the consultant script we discussed this week. Don't overthink it. Go to your new groups, find 5 signals, and send the bridge comment. The math is on your side. If you send 5 DMs, you'll likely get 2 responses. If you get 2 responses, you have a high chance of closing 1K show at $5,000 deal. Do this every week, and you've just built a $20,000 a month side hustle using only your phone. Tell me in the comments, which groups are you joining today? Your commitment starts now. I'll be looking through the comments to give feedback on your group choices. Let's make this the week you get paid. This isn't just a video, it's the beginning of your new career. Move from spectator to participant right now. You now have the groups, the comment, the script, and the invoice. Facebook is waiting for you to stop scrolling and start earning. If you found this masterclass valuable, subscribe to Money Up Academy for more deep dives into the Kenyan freelance economy. We are building wealth together, one client at a time. I'll see you in the next one, where we'll talk about scaling this to 100K a month. Keep winning.